Hey guys, how's it going? Zima here, and today I wanted to show you Huddle 01 with the DRTC notes, which are live right now when this video goes live too. They had their whitelist sale from November 6th until November 8th today, and now that is over, in which they sold up to 7,777 notes. The remaining notes, up to 20,500 I think, are now available for sale over here on their site. But before we jump ahead, let's recap real quick on what they do, what they're building, and if any of this makes sense long term. Because in my case, I think it does, and I think you guys will like it as well. What they do is decentralized real-time communication, which means if you use a service like Zoom, for example, or Google Meets, so you can communicate through your browser, through the internet. Sometimes there is a strong delay, the connection can be pretty bad, it is not that secure when it comes to data, so they have a solution for that with their Huddle 01 project, which is already live. I think they have up to 50,000 users already, and they focus on this communication aspect online. Now, this might seem just like a meeting site for now, but when we look at the partners that they have, on which they have Moonveil, X Protocol, Arbitrum, Xi, Caldera, and more, they themselves have already worked or announced partnerships with their partners down here, in which their technology is going to be implemented for, let's say, gaming, for example, for different companies out there. And as they say right here, with what they offer, it is 95% cheaper than usual. There's one thing called AWS, the Amazon Web Service, in order to process audio and video calls, but for them, it is a lot cheaper, much more affordable, and long-term oriented compared to traditional methods, you could say. This entire market, I think, is worth about $1 trillion, so pretty much as big as Bitcoin. And if they were to get even just 1 or 2% of the existing market over the next year, then this would be one of the biggest Web3 products we've ever seen. It is censorship resistant, it is open ownership, less than 100 milliseconds of delay for global connectivity, and all powered by the nodes and the token behind it. Now, they sell the nodes for something that already exists. You can already use Huddle, you can call people through it and experience all the different benefits, but right now, with the whitelist sale and the public sale happening, we can get notes for about $300 to $400, depending on the tier when you buy them in. I think in total, they will have around 47,000 notes, so there will be a phase 2, maybe even a phase 3. And with their mainnet launch mentioned down here and TGE in Q1 of next year, we are just a couple months away from everything in here making a bunch of money. Now, I don't want to give you financial advice, but from the stats that I've seen from looking around and scrolling through and watching some other videos on it, while also having 21% just for nodes alone when it comes to the token distribution and a lot of vesting as well as cliffs for the other categories mentioned up here for the tokens. So for example, the core contributors and investors have to wait at least 1 year in order for those tokens to unlock. I think this is going to make a lot of sense, not just in the short term, but in the long term as well. The nodes can be purchased on Arbitrum, for which you need wrapped ETH and ETH, which then also brings down our gas fees to about 1 cent, if not less. Multiple nodes can be purchased. You can also use my code, which is Zima in all caps, in order to get a 10% rebate, so you get 10% of your money back. And once you have one node or multiple, you need the following requirements in order to run it yourself, but they also have the option for you to simply delegate that instead. They have this whole section over here. You can self-delegate that, maybe have a laptop, maybe you have a virtual private server, or you use a third-party delegation, for which the operator does receive a commission and boost their reputation, and you in return don't have to do any of the operation yourself. You can simply sit back and let it accumulate tokens. One thing I wanted to touch on real quick is that they talked about that you need KYC, as this one is not available in a couple countries, including the US. However, there are always ways around there, like digital residency things that you can get, or maybe you have 2 ID cards. So this might be an issue for some, but not the biggest issue when it comes to crypto. In addition, if you buy 5 nodes, you get a free node as well. If you buy 10, you get 2 additional ones. And from what I think so far, based on how many tokens will be in supply, how much the project is going to be worth at launch with their fully diluted value and so on and so forth, I think, realistically speaking, we're looking at a 1 or 2 month return on investment, considering that most of the tokens are still locked up, and this one is a growing market day by day. Plus, it has a lot of different applications, especially with their partners mentioned over here. There are also additional features on how you can earn once the token goes live, but for now, mainly join the community and see if that node makes sense for you. I will leave a link down below to everything. Again, you get 10% off if you use the code ZIMA, Z-I-M-A, in all caps, for something that is deep and focused, makes passive income considering the node operation behind it, and already having an existing product that people actively use is 95% cheaper and something that will only grow over time. Thank you guys for watching. I myself am probably going to get around 10 nodes myself in order to get the 2 additional ones as they mentioned on their website. But then again, we will see how fast this one is sold out. I see you guys fairly soon. Let me know what you think. And until next time, bye guys.